Good morning, everyone. I am now in front of my computer. Guess what? It's my Fri-YAY, and what happens on Fri-YAY is I don't set my alarm. Even though I said that it's my day off, but sometimes it's just not possible with my never-ending desk work that I wish I wouldn't be doing already. But I think I'm just gonna I said somewhere in my holiday video that I would just, let me see if I will get myself in the frame, that I would hire a human VA, and that's in the process. It's just not there yet. Right now, I'm preparing my posts to be ready to go on social media every day. And those posts, I can't just, have some AI write them, right? I have to do them. I don't know. I just feel that when it's not true, it's not going to cut it. Nobody will believe it. I don't believe it to start with. So if it's not real, if I just pre-schedule everything ahead of time, I can't do that because it's just not my style. And maybe this is why I can't churn out. Where's my coffee? I can't churn out products or stuff, content. I'm going to be more regular, and I really think this is my main thing. Talking, socializing. That's the thing I do. And socializing meaning bring useful tips and say something that will provoke your thoughts. That's how I am really. I said this so many times in my videos. When I teach, either I teach people how to sing opera or how to speak, teach salespeople good sales personality, not just a person who can sell, but have all the good sales etiquette and ethics. Another thing that I teach is teach people how to cook. Everything I do is not just about teaching those subjects. It's about reminding my students, anyone, could be you right now, every day, all the time that we meet, that whatever you do, you're gonna be a good person and you're gonna do it well. I can't just stick with the subjects. Maybe that's why I don't teach in school. I don't know. College setup, I can get by because I teach privately. Students come to me and have a one-on-one with me. I guess in class situation, I can't quite do that because professors and teachers are now restricted with curriculum. They have to get through and leave it enough time so people can do the exams, the assessment, whatever, strictly by the book. And I guess I can because I look at people's faces and their the mood they come in. If it's voice students, I listen to them on the day. When I talk to you, I guess it's easier for me because I don't see you. But should you meet me one-on-one, I will teach as I feel needed, what's needed to be taught to my people to get themselves out of that situation they're in. Because you come in with your situation. Whatever it is, you come in, you don't just leave it at the door because it's only human, you just bring it in with you. I teach according to how you bring yourself in. When you're a voice student, if you don't sing well that way, I will see what it is that you bring in with you. I'm not going to poke around, but I will use an intelligent guest because experience. I will see how I can help you, get you out so that you can start singing better. And same thing with cooking one-on-one. When I teach people how to cook Thai food, sometimes they bring in their stuff. I'd rather be talking about their stuff. You can talk while listening to me do things. By the end, it's all good. They feel better about themselves and the situation they come in with and understand more Thai cooking and can cook certain things that we use as example. Whatever dishes will be our example of the day. So it's not just about the subject. And that's all I want to say. Oh my goodness, I can't wake up. Today is my watering, vitamining. I will give extra boost to all my plants today, and I haven't done it for about 3 weeks, and it's about time. In fact, I haven't watered ever since I put up the tents, greenhouses for my tropical plants. It's time today. Okay, this is enough for today. Why only cook Thai food when you can cook like a Thai? Especially when I'm around to help you, to be your teacher, your mentor, and your assistant, everything you need to make your true Thai cooking happen to you at home. Okay, cook like a Thai. สวัสดีค่ะ Pratisha signing off. See you next time. Bye bye.